In 2025, something changed. A new kind of machine was created. A robot that doesn't sleep, doesn't get tired, and learns faster than any human alive. Engineers call it Project Atlas X, but workers across America call it something else, the job killer. Atlas X wasn't built for war. It wasn't built for space. It was built for one purpose: to replace human labor. The first victims were factory workers. Atlas X can lift 200 kilos, work 24 hours straight, and never makes a mistake. Next came delivery drivers. With robotic legs and self-driving tech, Atlas X delivers faster, cheaper, and without brakes. But the real shock came when Atlas X got smarter. Office jobs began disappearing too. For the first time, a robot replaced both blue-collar and white-collar work. Atlas X uses neuro-rapid learning, an AI that can learn any skill in minutes. By 2030, robots like Atlas X will dominate manufacturing, transportation, retail, construction, fast food, even media editing. Imagine waking up and learning your company replaced your entire department with one machine. But there is hope. Robots replace tasks, not creativity, not emotion, not leadership. Atlas X isn't the end of jobs. It's the end of the old way of working. The question is, will the robot take your job, or will you learn to control the robot?